Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel friends. In this video, I will tell you about how you can do hard reset in your Poco smartphone. So let's start the video friends. So first you have to open your settings and now you can see here it is search bar. You have to click on reset here and it shows the reset options. Simply tap on reset options. Now you will see erase all data, that is factory reset. So by clicking on this erase all data, it will reboot or restart your smartphone. Then all the data will be erased permanently. So it is erasing your Google account, system, app data, settings, download apps, music, photos, videos, everything. Even you, if you have put SD card in it, you have to remove it safely. Otherwise, your whole data in SD card will be erased permanently and you can't be recover. And remove your Google account, not delete, just remove it from this device so it can't be locked. So you have to click on erase all data. It will take some time, like 2 to 3 minutes, and after that all the things will be permanently erased from this smartphone. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.